Mohiniyattam is associated with God Vishnu. Kathakali is associated with God Krishna. Ghumar dance form was developed by Bhil tribes to worship Goddess Saraswati, the mere percussion instrument used in the performance of Mohiniyattam dance, Edika. Classical dance which referred to as The dance of the storytellers Kathak. Folk dance that represents a mock fight between Goddess Durga and Mahishasura Dandiya Ras, a dance form influenced by Bihu dance. Satriya, dance of Jharkhand that performed mainly by the tribal women during the cultivation season. Janni Jumur, dance form of Assam performed by The Kulis, people who work in the tea gardens during autumn. Jumur, the drum prominently used as a part of dance movements in Puncholam, Manipuri. Dance form which depicts the anguish of women whose partners are gone from home. Biraha, Getka, a traditional fighting style of the Nihang Sikh warriors, has originated from Punjab. Mudiyattu is a traditional folk theatre form of Kerala. Alalat Karadi is a tribal dance form of Kerala. Vagya Murli, dance associated with Lord Khandoba, originated in Maharashtra. Sangre is a folk dance of Tripura. Dance dedicated to temples and was earlier known as Siddhya Bharatnatyam. First of India's traditional dance to be refashioned as a theatre art, Bharatanatyam. Dance associated with the Vaishnavism of the Meitei people. Manipuri dance. Ummat is a folk dance form performed in Kurg, Karnataka. Bharatnatyam dance recital is done by Nettuvanar. Note: Nettuvanar as a dance master. Lava is a popular folk dance of Minicoy Island. A popular mask dance of South Malabar. Kummattikali, chairs on heads with lighted dayasa, performed by women in which dance. Cherry dance, dance which combines speech, mime, and pure dance. Kuchipudi, the Viragas dance, performed during the Dashera festival, belongs to Karnataka. Rathwani Gher is a dance performed on the occasion of Holi by the Rathwa tribe of Gujarat. Ratwa is a dance form associated with the Mewati tribes. Tilina style is associated with Bharatanatyam. Chat Shukra, a popular traditional dance festival of Meghalaya, is celebrated as a sewing festival. Community of Sikkim that traditionally associated with the folk dance Chufat, Lepcha community. Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy is located in Imphal. Kamsail is a dance form traditional to the state of Karnataka. Rikhampada is a traditional dance of Arunachal Pradesh. Dance form in Mizoram participated exclusively by village guests. Kholam, a folk dance of Orissa depicting the life of Lord Krishna in Ranpa dance.